Hi, I'm Joel, Customer Success Manager with Zoom.ai. Today, we'll walk through what a personal scheduling link is and how to use it. To start, what exactly is a personal scheduling link? A personal scheduling link, or a scheduling link, is a public URL that you can share with anyone to quickly book a meeting. You can share it in an email, share it via SMS or chat, or even add it to a contact form on your website. What's great about a personal scheduling link? The link already has your availability. That way, anyone you share it with will only be able to pick a day and time where you're mutually available. Scheduling links will help you book one-on-one meetings faster, in just one click. Now, let's break down where to find them and how to share them. First, go to the Zoom.ai web app. Once you're there, you'll see the dashboard. Under Meeting Types is where you'll find and copy your personal scheduling links. Next, find the scheduling link associated with the kind of meetings you want to have. Let's say you want to have a sales demo. Click on the Options menu and copy the link. If you're a Customer Success Manager, like me, you may also want to add it to your e-signature. It's an easy and fast way for customers to self-schedule a meeting with you. Once a time has been chosen, you and your meeting invitee will receive an email from your Zoom.ai meeting assistant letting you know that the meeting's been booked. That's it. You've just seen where to find a scheduling link and how to share it.